I am a certified Ramsey Solutions financial coach. However, a few videos ago, I did a video about how I do not believe in everything that Dave Ramsey says anymore. This is controversial, but today I'm here to share with you the things that I truly believe are still relevant that Dave Ramsey teaches. Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. If you don't know me, I am Sara. I'm the owner of FrozenPennies.com. I'm a financial coach, and as a family, we are debt-free. So today I want to go over a few things that Dave Ramsey teaches that I am still a firm believer in. The very first thing is credit cards. If you carry a credit card balance, you need to cut the credit cards up. If you're carrying a balance and you're not able to pay off those credit cards every single month, I'll give you some grace, maybe every 2 months, then you are not responsible enough to have credit cards. Now, I am coming here from this angle because I have been there. I got myself into an awful lot of credit card debt. I really struggled. I had to cut everything up. Actually, they took the credit cards away because I wasn't paying for them, and I had to dig myself up and rebuild my credit score. Credit score is important, but it's not the most important thing. Consumer debt is ridiculous right now. Consumer debt itself is at an all-time high for Americans, and consumer debt interest rate is also at an all-time high. If you are paying 29.9% interest rate on that balance, cut them up. Start all over again, pay them off, give yourself a clean slate. Let's talk budgets. It is imperative for you to know where your money is going. And in order to do that, you kind of need a budget. Now, it doesn't matter how you want to budget your money. If you would rather have some kind of an app, or a spreadsheet, or even something like this. This is my free budget planner. I'm going to leave a link below in the description. You can print it right at home, or you can go to the library and print it yourself. Then you can put it in something fancy like this. This is a 3-ring binder that I have everything in. It makes it super easy to be able to have this right at home and go on a monthly basis to do your budget. And it's free. Now there's no excuse not to have a budget. Dave Ramsey always says, it will rain. Murphy will come knocking at your door, and you have to be prepared. Having an emergency fund is the single most important savings that you can give yourself. Being able to have the cash to fix something when it breaks will save you from putting it back on that credit card. Now, do I agree that the $1,000 starter fund is the right way to go? It really depends. It depends on where you are in your life. If you own a house, $1,000 might not be enough. If you rent an apartment, $500 might be sufficient. Figure that out based on your situation. But make sure you have an emergency fund. Investing in assets is far superior than investing in liabilities. I do not agree with having a $650 a month car payment. I do not agree in spending $60,000 on an SUV. To me, that's insane. I would rather take that $60,000 and invest it in an asset, something that will appreciate in value and even bring in a monthly income for you. Something like a house that you could rent out. In our area, we have trailers that are in abundance. And in our state, you cannot get a mortgage on a trailer. So they go for fairly inexpensive. If you have the cash, or you can leverage something in order to have that money, it might be well worth it for you to invest in an asset like a rental property rather than a $60,000 SUV. Learning about finances every single day is important. The more you know, the more you know. The more you know about what's happening with your money, the better your chances are of having more money. If you learn to change your mindset about money and you learn a little bit about investing, now granted, I can tell you this, I'm not a huge investment person, but even reading books or watching YouTube videos from experts who know more about money than you do is a great idea. Even watching this video today is an excellent idea because you're learning something about money. Money is not the root of all evil. The more money you have, the more your personality will come out. So if you're a giver, the more money you have, the more money that you're going to give away. If you're frugal anyway, it doesn't matter how much money you have. You're probably still going to be frugal. Having more money is okay. Whether that be by making more money or saving more money or being frugal, it's okay. Giving is the reason that we are all here. I truly believe that my life's purpose is to give back, regardless of the form that takes, whether it be sharing my frugal tips on YouTube or making a donation to the food pantry or to the school or helping somebody who needs help from a house fire in town. It doesn't matter. I love to give. I love to give back and I love to be generous. And lastly, one of the things that I 100% agree with Dave Ramsey about is wealth. Building wealth is a wonderful thing. Finding fair and kind ways to get there is the main goal. Nobody wants to be a crooked rich person. Nobody wants to be unfair and mean and take advantage of others. We're all here to serve each other. And building wealth and being wealthy is okay. Working hard to get there is the best path to do that. So those are my 7 ways that I stand firm and get a little bit excited and get a little bit loud about when it comes to Dave Ramsey's theories of financial education. Tell me in the comments, do you agree with them? Am I crazy? Am I some crazy lady who just wants to be rich? Or do these things make sense to you? Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I truly appreciate you and have a great day. Bye-bye.